Hello, my name is Jack Goschen, and I'll be demonstrating my functional prototype for human-machine interfaces. This is the SPIRO Smart Digital Spirometer. Now, the purpose of the spirometer is to take lung measurements when you exhale into the top of it, and it records how fast the air travels through the device, and from there you can get a test results that basically determine how good your lungs are. So the first one being the FEV1, which is the maximum amount of air you can exert over 1 second. And the second test is the FVC, which you take a massive deep breath in and you try to exert as much air as you can for as long as you can until your lungs are empty. And those two results can then be divided together to give you your FEV1 and FVC ratio, which gives an indication on how your lung function. And yeah, these results can be sorted over time to see if you're declining or how the state of your health is. So as a part of my prototype I've got here, functional prototype, I've got a 3D printed shell, and the circuitry is on a Arduino Uno board. Main components of this board, there's a bunch of LEDs and buzzers, and a thermistor to measure the temperature, and a differential pressure sensor which measures the airflow through this device via calculating a pressure drop through a Venturi nozzle effect produced by this nozzle. So I'll get started. I'll run the first test. Cool, so it's turned on, doing the FEV test. This test measures how much air you can exhale in 1 second, blow into the tube as hard as you can for 1 second. .75 litres. Now the next test will start, the FVC. This test measures how much air you can forcibly and quickly exhale after taking a deep breath. Take a deep breath and blow into the tube as hard as you can. Cool, so I got my two results. So my FEV1 and FVC ratio is 85%, and my breath temperature is 34 degrees. So both so my lungs are healthy according to that ratio, and the temperature is normal, so everything's great. And then it encourages me to keep up the awesome work by doing these daily tests every day. And now I'll show a demonstration of if I was unhealthy. So I've had bad lung function, so I'm going to purposely screw up the first test. So yeah, blowed hardly any out then. I'll go to the FVC, and I'll just do a normal one, so I'll try to go well. Cool, so basically the exact same as the last one. So now these two results are divided together to give me a ratio of 0.52%. 52%. And my breath temperature 34%, 34 degrees. So that means my lungs are not healthy and my temperature is still great. So it recommends that I go and see my respiratory physician for a checkup soon and hand them the data. So that's the SPIRO Smart Spirometer. Thanks for watching.